Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. After completing all theorems of Boolean algebra like property of 0 and 1, idempotence law, involution law, complementarity law and commutative law, absorption law, distributive law, associative law. Now let's next important concept. The concept is the De Morgan's theorem. And in our De Morgan's theorem, the two important theorems are there. Now we are in the first theorem. We are going to complete the first theorem. So De Morgan's first theorem. And De Morgan's first theorem states that x plus y naught is equal to complement x and complement y. Clear this point here? So we can say as not x also, otherwise the complement of x. So the first theorem of the De Morgan's first theorem, the theorem is the x plus y complementation, otherwise x plus y naught is equal to complement x and complement y. Now before going to prove whether it going to prove or not, let's first of all we are going to complete the symbol by using such expression of the first theorem of the De Morgan's. So x plus y naught. So x, we know that plus that is equal to the or, y and naught is that. So we are going to draw the not gate symbol. Okay, the not. So again I am going to repeat the left hand side, that is the x plus y complementation of x plus y. So just I am going to complete the symbol for the left hand side, that is the x or y naught, that is equal to complementation of x plus y is equal. Now right hand side symbol, the right hand side symbol x naught, correct here, and symbol is that. So later words we are going to join after completing our complement of y. So just we in starting step we need to complete x naught and also complementation of y, that is the not y. Clear this point here? So x complementation of x and also the complementation of y, and both are going to join with the and. Clear this point here? Both are going to join with the and. Now this is the symbol about our first theorem of the De Morgan's. Now we know that why, because when you are going to prove the De Morgan's theorem, this De Morgan's theorem, or to prove this De Morgan's theorem, first of all we need to recall complementarity law, and this law states that x plus complement of x is equal to 1, x and complement of x is equal to 0. So clear this point here? When you are going to prove our De Morgan's first theorem as well as our second theorem of the De Morgan's, we need to recall the law. The name of the law is the complementarity law, and we know that in complementarity law, this law states that x plus complement of x is equal to 1 and x and complement of x is equal to 0 here. Now we know why, because when you are going to prove two laws are that in one section, two options are there, two sections. So we can say that when you are going to prove the x plus y plus complement of x and complement of y must be, that is equal to 1, should get the result as the 1 here. And this second, when you are going to prove x plus y and complement of x and complement of y should get the result as the 0. So see, just only now I completed x plus complement of x. So you have to think about this one, that is the x plus complement of x. Clear this point here? x plus complement of x, and this is the second one is the x and complement of x here. So Second one is the x plus complement of x, that is equal to the 0. That means in the second option if you are going to prove should get the or must be that is equal to the 0. Okay kya? Now first of all we are going to prove the first one, and now let's see whether we'll get the result as 1 or not here. If you are getting the result 1, that means we are going to we can prove such a theorem. Clear this point here? So first thing, yeah, x plus y, I am taking x plus y plus complement of x plus y plus complement of x here, and such and symbol is there, and later next one again I am going to take x plus y plus complement of y. Clear this point here? How I completed this line? See, x plus y plus complement of x, and symbol is there in between. So and again next one x plus y plus complement of y here, and later next one when you are going to take the next expression, next line, so I am taking as x plus y plus complement of x and x plus y plus complement of y. Clear this point here? So x plus y, the same thing, no any changes. So whatever the variables are there, but I am going to use in one parenthesis. Clear this point here? So x plus y plus complement of x and x plus y plus complement of y, and later we know that some of the rules is there here. So the rules is the x plus complement of x plus y. When you are using x plus complement of x, the result will get as the 1. Is it? Why? Because this is our complementarity law. Clear this point here? So just only whatever the variables are there to get one result. Clear this point here? Just I change the variable here to that. So x plus complement of x plus y, and later next one x plus y plus complement of y. There is no any changes. How the variable is there in the same order I am going to take to into the next line, and after completing later next one is about we know that the x plus complement of x, the value is the 1 plus y. Okay, so x plus complement of x, when you are going to check the complementarity law, this law state that x plus complement of x is equal to 1. So just by using these two variable x plus complement of x, the result will get as the 1. So 1 plus, now which variable is left? Plus y. Clear this point here? And later next one x plus, we know that if the value of x plus complement of x that is equal to 1, that means maybe the variable going to change. Maybe the z plus complement of z, the value is 1 only. Y plus complement of y, the value is 1 only. So we can directly take the value that is the 1. Clear this point? So we can, after that later next one, maybe the y variable is 0. So when you are going to add 1 plus 0, the result is the 1. Is it? Or maybe the y variable is 1. 1 plus 1, the result is 1 only. So directly we can take. Clear this point here? So 1 plus 0, maybe the y is 0 or 1. There is no any changes. The result is 1 only, and symbol as it is I am going to take x plus 1. That means here we can say that maybe the x value is 0. 0 plus 1, result is 1. Maybe the x value is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, the result is 1 only. So now finally we can say that when you are going to multiply 1 and 1, 1 into 1. So 1 ones are, result is 1 only. Now we can say that, see what's the result? So x plus y plus complement of x and complement of y, that is equal to 1. So we can say that. Now what's the result? What's the answer we got in this expression? The result is the 1 only. So right hand side is equal to our left hand side, or the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now we are going to prove the next theorem. Clear this point here? Why? Because in one first theorem, two options are there. We know that is equal to the x plus complement of x is equal to 1, and later next one, the x plus complement of x is equal to the 0. So the second thing about x plus, so before going to prove, so here I am going to take the The question is the x plus y and complement of x and complement of y is equal to 0. But just only to prove this expression, first of all I am going to take as the complement x and complement y and opening of the parenthesis x plus y, and later next one the complement x and complement y and x plus, okay, complement x and complement y and x plus as it is. Now again complement of x, complement of y and y. Later next one is, clear this line, how I completed this line here. So complement x and complement y and x plus as it is, complement of x and complement of y and y. And later next one is, just we know that some rules is that if you are going to take x and complement of x, the value is the complementary law only, x and complement of x, the value is equal to 0. So x complement of x and y. Clear this point here. So just I completed x complement of x and complement of y plus later next one is the complement x, y and complement y. Clear this point here. So x complement x and complement y plus complement x and y and complement y here, and later next one we know that what's the meaning of the x and complement of x. Why? Because complementarity law, correct? No, x plus complement x, the result is the 1. X plus complement x, the result is the 1. But what about the x and complement of x, the result is the 0. So 0 and complement of y. Clear this point here. So how I completed the value 0 here. So just by taking, just by converting, we know that complementarity, second law, x and complement of that is equal to 0 and complement of y plus, and as it is complement of x, if the rules of x complement x, the value is the 0, the same rule applying in our maybe the variable going to change, that is y and complement of y, the value is 0 only, okay. And later next we are going to multiply, maybe the y value is equal to 0 or maybe the y value is equal to 1. There is no any effect whenever you are going to multiply with the value 0, always the result is the 0 only. So plus, and in case of the x also, maybe the x value is equal to 0 or x value is equal to 1. There is no any changes in the result. When you are multiplying 0 into 0, result is the 0, 1 into 0, result is the 0 only. So 0 plus 0, and finally when you are going to add or operation 0 plus 0, the result will get as the 0 only. Clear this point here. So we know that the first theorem of De Morgan's theorem, and that is the x plus y, complementation of x plus y is equal to complement x and complement y. Clear this point here. Equal to complement y, and here I am going to prove by using our complementarity law, and this law states that x plus complement of x is equal to 1 and x and complement of x is equal to 0. That means while going to prove the first option should get the result as the 1 here, and by proving should get the result as the 0. We know that in first option we got the result is the 1 here, and in the second option the result is the 0. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.